It's a new 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Projecting strength and durability and built to back it up, this Silverado 1500 is definitely one book you can judge by its cover. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: configurable instrument gauges, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, streaming audio, automatic transmission, heated steering wheel, doors and push-button start proximity key, AM/FM satellite radio, trailer brake controller, four-wheel drive, and intercooled turbo inline four-cylinder engine. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.